Hey guys, LeeSlime Creations here, and today I'm going to be doing an extreme slime makeover on this plain white cloud slime. I'm going to be trying to make it more fun and interesting. But before we begin, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can tell, this slime is very wet and just not fun. So the first thing I'm going to do to fix this is add some shaving cream. But not too much. So as you can tell, it's already getting a lot thicker and not as wet. The next thing I'm going to do is add some color. So I'm going to add this pink paint. But not too much or it will stain your hands. Okay, I think I'm going to add a little bit more because it's a really light pink, but it still looks pretty white. So this is acrylic paint. You do want to use acrylic paint because other paints don't work as well in slime. Okay, so I finished mixing the slime together, and now it is this light bubblegum pink color. The next thing that I'm going to add is this lotion from Bath & Body Works to make it really soft. Just a little bit. And it shouldn't change the color because I didn't add very much. But as you can tell, it's getting very drizzly and nice. Okay, so now that I've mixed it all in, it's very soft. So I'm gonna add a little bit of activator just because it's a little sticky, but not too much. And if you're wondering how you make the activator, it is 1 teaspoon of borax and water, but you can also use Tide. Okay, if you want to make your slime smell good, you can just add essential oils. So I'm going to be adding this watermelon. For a slime about this size, you just want to add 1 to 3 drops. 2, 3. Finished mixing in the scent, and it is very fruity smelling. But now I'm going to do some ASMR. Okay, now I'm going to add some glitter on the top to finish it off. I'm going to add these yellow flakes and this wow silver glitter. So I'm going to swirl it to make it look pretty. Okay, not the best, but that's okay. We're just gonna add a little bit of this on the top. And a little bit of these to go along with it. So as you can tell, there's a huge difference from before and after. Now I'm going to do some more ASMR and mix it in. Okay, so I have transformed this slime into a fruity scented glitter slime, but it is still a cloud slime, and it is so much better than what we started with. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please share this video with all your friends and family. If you would like to purchase any of my slimes, my Etsy shop will be linked in the description below. Thanks so much. Bye.